Hey Team V!
Hey Team V! Today we are here doing a science experiment, right?
Yeah.
What did we watch this morning about the umbrellas blowing away?
We watched a video on to make an umbrella.
About making an umbrella. And what was the problem with the umbrellas that were blowing away? Why were they blowing away?
Because there was no holes for the wind to go through.
Yeah, and they said to make it more like a
Tree.
More like a tree. So we have Charizard here.
No, that's Charmander.
Ah! Charmander! Sorry.
Hey Team V, you want to make her mad?
Sure.
Charmander!
Alright, put him off to the side now that he's shared his sound.
Pikachu.
Oh, Charmander! Char! They're going to be our judges. So Charmander and... Wow! He's our judge too. Okay, those are not part of our supplies. Here are the supplies. We have a cup. We have some scissors. We have some stickers. They can be any kind of stickers. We have a straw. They said to use a plastic straw, but there are not many plastic straws. This is a paper straw, and it's fine. I can just fold it like that for the folding part. This is a pencil. This is some Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
These are some pipe cleaners. And here are the sheets that they asked us to print out. So Leah's trying to open up the Play-Doh.
Oh, what is it?
It's a mixed one. It's a mixed bag in there. Squeeze it, get it out. Now we have to cut out. Yeah, I have some on my hands too. Which scissors do you want to use?
These ones.
Okay, I don't use these ones. We are going to cut out our umbrella. So cut the large circle. Now, Leo, cut on this dotted A line until it says stop. Stop! Good, stop.
Stop!
Now, you're gonna write your name first and last, making sure uppercase for the
L.
Yeah.
E. O. V.
Yeah.
Space.
Finger space, uppercase V. Now we're going to take our pipe cleaner and put it in. Leo, which pipe cleaner do you want? I have sparklies, I have some with our fat,
I want this
a
one.
normal dark blue. Okay, I'm gonna take
Oh, this one's long. Look.
yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna take this light blue one.
what I did.
Mine has puppies on it.
Look
So
what I
Leo,
can do. Oh,
wow. I want you to do this. Hold it here. Okay, bring it over here. Hold it here and spin it around a finger. Can you do that? Not in the middle. Let's do it nearing the end, maybe 1/3. Spin it around.
Here.
Yep, spin it all the way around. Good, and now stop, stop. And now give it a twist. So you twist. Okay, you're going to pinch the circle. Pinch the circle, pinch. And twist. Yep, and again. And again. Good. Okay, now Leo, we need helper. I'm your helper. I'm gonna get out my stickers ready. Put them on my hand just to get them ready.
So you have to do this.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get that inside. So we want this to be sticking out the top. So we slide it in here. Maybe you should have made it a bit bigger. Now we're gonna fold, oops. We want the name to be on the inside and this to be the outside. So we're going to slide it in like this. Okay. Can you hold the white part that I'm pinching? White. Like this. Hold it.
Oh, okay.
Good. I'm putting stickers on to hold it together.
Oh, they're hearts.
Hearts. Okay, and now you can let go. Sticker there, sticker there. Now I fold over the top. There we go.
The heart's on you.
I have an extra one. I guess I didn't really need it, but
Oh, I know. It can be a sticker for you for being one of the best teachers.
well, that's a nice thing to say. Okay, so there we go. We have that guy.
Umbrella.
I need to do the same. So now, Leo, you can put your straw. So can you do that while I write my name?
Okay.
Uppercase letter to start. Top down. What should I put? Mummy, Mrs. Valama, Megan.
I think they recognize you most as Mrs. Valama.
Okay. Valama's uppercase. I'm always starting top down.
To do that.
Yeah, so now Leo's trying to stick his in the cup. Woo! It worked! Nice!
Let's see if it can work.
Okay, I'm gonna clear the area. And I'm gonna be the big wind. Okay, Team B, I'm going to be the big wind, and I have my Lego base plate. So I'm gonna try to blow it over. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go, here comes the big wind. Stop blowing over! It must be because we put so much weight in the bottom, just like roots. Let's see if I can get it to blow over.
I want to put it back on.
So we blew it over. It took a lot of effort because our cup is pretty heavy. It's actually made of plastic, which made it a bit heavier. And I put a lot of Play-Doh in the bottom. So that made it almost like roots. So now Leo is going to cut designs or do whatever he thinks is going to work best to make it so it won't fall over. But now, friends, listen. 2 things. Number 1, do we play with scissors?
No.
Number 2, do not cut on the stickers.
No, don't
Okay.
do it.
All right, go to work, Leo. Go for it. Okay, so Leo has cut. Show me what you've done. Show the kids what you've done.
I've cut little triangles and holes.
Okay, so now Leo, do you want me to remove the straw to make the trunk more bendy, or do you want the straw to stay strong?
Let's see. I want it to make it bendy like
Bendy?
a real tree.
Okay, so now before we stick it in there, let's stick this in here. Okay, and I have folded mine and kind of cut like you would cut a snowflake. I've cut holes in mine like a snowflake. So let's unfold it and see the pattern that I've made. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, you look creepy. That's so creepy.
So that's mine.
That's creepy, dude.
Should we put ours both in the same thing?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright.
This is like.
Okay, we're putting both of ours in the same cup. Let's see what happens. Okay, ready for the big wind! 2, 1, go! We have to work so hard! Come on, Leo! Go! Go! Wait it! We're almost there! Yay! Well, it would have had to be a very big wind to knock those new invented umbrellas over.